Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 8 mathematics. Topic chapter number 11 mensuration. In this topic we are going to learn measurement of area, and first of all we just come across the formulas of area. So first of all we see the formula of area of different geometrical figure. Now students, we also see the formula of perimeter. Of course, we do not use the formula of perimeter in this chapter, but we should remember, so we do not confuse. Perimeter of square, that is 4 into L, means sum of the sides. Perimeter of rectangle means 2 into L plus B, where L length, B breadth. Perimeter of triangle, that is sum of all the sides of triangle. Okay, perimeter of closed figure except circle means sum of the sides of that particular closed figure. In this chapter we are going to see the area, surface area, volume. So first of all, let's we note down the formula of area. Area of square, that is L multiplied by L, that you have been studied in grade 7. Area of rectangle, L multiplied by B. Area of triangle, that is half of base multiplied by altitude. Here I have drawn altitude. Altitude is always drawn on base perpendicularly, right? And then area of parallelogram, base multiplied by altitude. Then area of circle, that is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Here you take pi values to 22 upon 7 or 3.14 as per convenience of the sum. Perimeter of circle, that is 2 pi r, don't be confused. Relation between diameter and radius, that is diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Here you can see radius, diameter is twice of r. So radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Perimeter of circle, that is twice pi r, it is also represented by pi into d. Let's you see pi 2 into r we take together, so 2r is nothing but d. So pi d also we can take. We have also show the formula of area of shaded region of this circle, pi into r square minus r square. So r square minus r square, as per our identities, r plus r, r minus r. So where capital R is the outer circle of the radius, small r is the inner circle of the radius. Area of semicircle means half of pi r square. Full circle pi r square, half of pi r square. Similarly, perimeter of semicircle is 2 pi r. So half of semicircle means 2 cancel pi r. Here also we have to remember the conversion units that we have studied in the grade 7. 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 100 into 100, 10,000 centimeter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1000 centimeter square is equal to 1 lakh millimeter square, and 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 10 into 10, 100 millimeter square. Now in 8th standard we shall start the new formula, that is area of trapezium. In area of this is the shape of trapezium ABCD. Area of trapezium is equal to half of h into sum of parallel sides. Half. This is h means altitude, and parallel side is AB and CD. So half of h into AB plus BC. Area of quadrilateral. Here you can see quadrilateral ABCD, where when we drawn this diagonal, that is represented by D, as quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. You see, this is h1 altitude of this triangle ABD and h2 altitude of triangle BCD. So what is the here formula? area of quadrilateral is equal to half of diagonal into h1 plus h2. ये diagonal पे कितने altitudes है 2, h1 plus h2. So this you remember. Then area of polygon. If you want to measure this area of polygon given A, B, C, D, E. So area of polygon ABCD, which is consist of, you see, 1, 2 and 3 triangles. So we can write like this formula to calculate like this also. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle CDE. Okay. If some of other students, they are the same this polygon, they are drawing like this way. So they take first area of quadrilateral ABDC plus DEC, है ना? तो पहले वो क्वाड्रिलेटरल का लेंगे, बाद में ट्राइंगल, तो भी चलेगा, राइट? सो एरिया ऑफ पॉलीगॉन ABCD, AB area of polygon ABDEC, ABDEC is equal to area of quadrilateral ABDC first, area of quadrilateral ABDC first means this quadrilateral, and area of triangle. So this is another method or another way you can also find out. Here it covers total 3 triangles, then we put triangles formula. Here it covers only one quadrilateral and triangle. Okay, so like this way also we can do. You see this is the figure of hexagonal. So if you want to find out the area of hexagonal, you make them apart. I am just taking part in this first triangle, then square and then triangle. So area of hexagonal is equal to ABF plus area of square BCEF plus area of triangle CDE. Other students, if they partition like this way, so now you see this figure number 1, it is trapezium, this is also trapezium, right? So area of hexagonal ABCD, this hexagonal is equal to area of trapezium number 1 plus area of trapezium number 2. So like this way also you can find out. Okay, so today's students, we learn up to here only. Next time we will study to start new exercise. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye. So till then you have to prepare this formula. Okay. Thank you.